Welcome to the Daily Drop Society with Jewl Hinton. Let's discuss doTERRA's new oil, Summer Savory. Now, Summer Savory is a little oil with a really big punch. It may sound like in the name, the word Summer Savory makes it sound like it's a blend, but actually Summer Savory is the name of an herb. This oil is a lot like clove and oregano when it comes to potency. So this is one that you're always going to want to use diluted with a carrier oil. Now, I have just barely gotten my package last night. I haven't even opened this up yet because I wanted you guys to be the first to see this brand new oil. Now, what makes this oil so much like oregano and clove, making it a hotter oil, is because of the compound carvacrol that is found in this oil. This oil supports a whole ton of bodily systems, from your digestive, your respiratory, and your immune system. This oil can also be used in place when you're cooking and you want this type of herb in your cooking. Remember, again, it's a hot oil, so just use a little bit. Dip a toothpick in, mix a little bit in your food, and add a little bit more as needed, but always start small. Energy-wise, this oil is really great for cleansing and opening up that bottom chakra. That's probably why this oil also has been found to be something that helps arise the intimate feelings within you. This oil sometimes has been known to be an aphrodisiac. Not only is this oil good for intimacy, but it also helps give feelings of body acceptance. Now, from what I've heard, this oil smells potent. Let's open it up. Whew. Just from smelling it, you can tell this is a hot oil. Super herbaceous, very hot. It almost burns a little bit as you're smelling, but it does have a nice herby type aroma to it that for some reason I'm kind of digging right now. But it would be a great pair for cooking. I hope you enjoy this new oil from doTERRA.